Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's recipe is very easy dessert Indian carrot pudding, Gajar ka halwa. Take a non-stick pan and add butter 70 grams when butter melts. Let me know from which city you are watching our video in comments below. I will thanks to everyone. Add grated carrots half a kilogram and saute on medium flame. Cook in medium flame till the carrots are tender and extra moisture has dried. This step may take around 5 to 8 minutes. Add milk 1 cup and stir well. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Now add sugar 80 grams or as per your taste and mix well. Cover cook until the carrots are soft and sugar is dissolved. And then add crushed green cardamom pods 3. Chopped dry fruits a half cup. Crushed saffron strands a quarter teaspoon and mix well. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Cover and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes in low flame until the milk is absorbed and the pudding, halwa, thickens. Stir the pudding, halwa, till the mixture dries up and keep stirring to avoid burning for the bottom. Carrot pudding, halwa, is ready to decorate in plate. Garnish with fresh cream. Chopped dry fruits, some cashews. You must try this recipe. Keep in refrigerator for 1 hour and serve chill. Enjoy your Indian carrot pudding, Gajar ka halwa, with friends and family. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye.